Hello, I am Karen Anara Sandoval. I will present the activity 4 on the Unit 2 English course B1 more. And practice time. Let's see how let's see who's speaking today. Okay, let's see who's speaking today. Mary's sister loves sipping uses. Frank is speaking about horses saddles. Frank is speaking about horses saddles. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. Left zigzag on the ice with Philip skates. Left zigzag on the ice with Philip skates. The candidate's speeches sounded false. The candidate's speeches sounded false. Thousand saw Shakira's show. Thousand saw Shakira's show. Okay. Her face showed and I smile. Her face showed and I smile. Smile. Wendy's sister likes sausages. Wendy's sister likes sausages. The cyclones serves this cheese steam. The cyclones serve this cheese steam. Next activity, the diphthong sound. Initial, medial, final. Oh, along go. Oh, along go. Only, no, no. Only, no, no. Open, throw, show. Open, throw, show. Over, thrown, throw. Over, thrown, thrown. Okay, John, grow. Okay, John, grow. Ocean, storm, flow. Ocean, storm, flow. Owner, caught, tomato. Owner, caught, tomato. Oh dear, come, potato. Oh dear, come, potato. Activity. Phone John a home. Phone John a home. Don't go to throw a stone. Don't go to throw stones. It snows and grows. It snows and grows. Eu oyó a foncal. Oyó a foncal. My nose and throat hurts. My nose and throat hurts. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go the show alone. Don't go the show alone. Somebody has stolen my comb. Somebody has stolen my comb. Okay, this activity ends. Thank you very much. Bye.